Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty of Woman. Today we are going to talk about crochet table runner ideas. Crochet table runners are perfect for decorating dining tables, coffee tables and side tables. They add warmth, beauty and a handmade touch to any home. Whether your style is modern, simple and traditional, there is a crochet table runner designed for everyone. Crochet is a relaxing and creative hobby that many people enjoy. A handmade table runner not only looks stylish but also shows love and hard work. In this video I will share some lovely crochet table runner ideas that are easy to understand and perfect for inspiration. Let's start with simple rectangle table runner. This is one of the most popular crochet style. A plain rectangle runner with soft colors looks elegant and neat. Beginners love this design because it is easy to make and work well with any table decoration. White, cream, beige and light gray colors are perfect for a classic look. Another beautiful idea is floral crochet table runner. Flower patterns add a fresh and cheerful touch to the table. Crochet flowers can be made in bright and soft colors depending on your style. Sunflowers, roses and daisy patterns are very popular choices. Floral runners look amazing during spring and summer season. Next we have lace crochet table runners. Lace designs look delicate, elegant and timeless. These runners are perfect for special occasions, family dinners or festive decorations. Many people love this white lace table runner designs because they create a clean and beautiful look. Lace crochet patterns may take more time, but the final result looks stunning. Round crochet tables are also becoming trendy. These runners are great for table or small coffee tables. Circle tables with delicate stitches look artistic and unique. You can bright colors use for stylish fun or natural shades for a modern look. If you like colorful decorations, striped crochet table runners are a wonderful idea. Using different thread colors creates a lovely and happy design. Colorful runners make dining areas look warm and welcoming. They are perfect for family gatherings and festive celebrations. Another popular style is famous crochet table runner. Farmhouse designs use natural colors like brown, cream, white and olive green. These runners give a cozy and rustic feeling to the home. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.